Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from SimmonsEssentials. I want to bring you another original design. This is the Trident knot after Aquaman. In the last video, I did the Aquaman and I called the Trident a staff. So if you watch that video, apologize for that. I forgot the name. I'm going to make it up to you, the fans. In this one, this is the Trident. Let's go ahead and get started. This is going to be the left side. It's going to be at the belt line, belly button area as usual. We're going to come over, we're going to put in a dimple, we're going to fold it in half, we're going to come across. We're going to come down like this, and we're going to come around like that, and we're going to secure it like this. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep this folded in half, open this up, and then come back down. Then we're going to come up. It's going to be folded in half like this, over the top of this. And then I'm going to fold it in like this. Bring it through like that. Put the collar down, it's going to do that. So what I'm going to do for that is I'm going to put it underneath here, the whole thing, put it underneath there like that. So after you fold it in half, it's going to flop down. Just reopen this up and just insert the whole thing up there like this. And I want this to be taller than the other three. Right there. So there you have the Trident, the official Trident knot. So again, unknown summer friends, you're fearfully wonderful made. We'll see you in the next video. Follow me on Instagram at SimmonsEssentials. Peace and God bless.